hey, and sends a bunch of dick pics. And she's like, I don't know who this person is. Oh, it's coming so that I go pick it up fast. Because I will get banned. Sorry. What is it, bronzology? Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. There's a lot of gas in that happened. Sorry. Thanks, school. Side, like you can cuddle it and I don't know. It's super effective. Damn it. I feel so useless right now. I can't believe that just happened. No. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, 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 no.
Join with me.
Somewhere all you want to do is leave. Like if I told you right now you couldn't leave your house, you'd want to leave. Even if you don't want to leave. Sorry. I have a keyboard, guys. Now I can play on it. Let's see. With one stone. Definitely. Pero si te invito a Ibiza o algo, tienes... Oh, pues obviamente, si estoy en Ibiza, pues tengo que tomar. Obviamente, pues. I mean, what you gonna do when they come for you? No sabía que hablas español. ¿Soy de Colombia?
Yo, Carter!
Oh shit, I broke the box.